Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do a complete start to finish walkthrough of WASender version 5.0.8. Whether you are a business owner or a marketer, this software is your go-to for WhatsApp automation. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your account, build your contact list, and run your first safe bulk campaign. First, ensure you've downloaded the 5.0.8 version from our official link in the description. Once downloaded, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. This is important to ensure the software properly initializes the browser module. Once opened, you'll need to link your WhatsApp account by scanning the QR code just like you do with WhatsApp Web. Once synced, you're ready to start. Now let's build our campaign. Click on Bulk Sender. You have two options: import contacts from an Excel or CSV file, or add them manually. If you are using Excel, ensure your phone numbers include the full country code, for example +91 for India. Once your list is populated, move to the message box. You can write your text here, and remember to use the Automate button to add an image or PDF. If you have different files for different customers, you can use the multimedia feature to personalize your attachments. Before you press Start Campaign, we need to talk about safety. Navigate to Settings and look for Delay settings. Never run your campaign without this. I recommend a delay of 40 to 80 seconds between messages and a pause of 150 seconds after every 5 messages. This prevents your account from being flagged by WhatsApp's anti-spam filters. Trust me, it's better to go slow and stay safe. Click Start. You'll see the software automatically open the chat, send your message, and move to the next contact. Now let's talk about the Tools section, which is where the real value is. Click on the Google Maps Extractor. Simply type in your target niche, like restaurants in New Delhi, and watch the software scrape business names, website URLs, and phone numbers in real time. If you're working with a fresh WhatsApp number, don't rush into sending thousands of messages. Spend at least 24 hours using the WhatsApp Warmer tool. It simulates real conversations, which builds trust with the WhatsApp servers. After that, you can set up your autoresponder under the Settings tab to handle welcome messages or FAQs, keeping your response time instant. That covers the essential toolkit for WASender 5.0.8. It's an incredibly powerful suite for anyone looking to automate their sales funnel. If you had any trouble with the installation or setup, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the latest version. If this guide saved you some time today, hit that like button and subscribe for more software tutorials. See you in the next one.